Did you ever wanted to sell on a weekend market, but you didn't have a POS or point of sale machine? But now you don't have to worry about it. All you need to have is a lead connector app and connect your products in it, and then you are ready to go. You can start accepting payments just by using your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Let's get to it. We are now going to access the POS module in the lead connector app. So you can see here, I'm in one of my sub accounts. So at the bottom on the center, you can see a dollar sign, which is the POS module or point of sales module. When you click on this point of sales module, you can see a keypad will open up, and this is where you can enter a price. For example, you are attending a market and you are selling something for $25. You could just type in 25 and then review item. It will be considered as a custom item. You can add a customer by clicking here and typing their names, or else if they are not available, for example, I'm going to add David here. And if David is not available, you can click and create a new contact and add David's details, and that customer will be created, and you can add that customer to this specific product. But you don't necessarily need to add a customer. You can create a transaction without even adding a customer. Now I can charge $25 to a customer for this custom item. And if I want to give a discount, I can do so by clicking here, add discount. And here you can see there's a slider. I can slide it either to a percentage or to an actual value. So for example, if I want to give a $5 discount, what I have to do is I drag this to $5. And then I can offer them a $5 discount. Once I'm done, I have to click done. And then I'm ready to charge $20 with the discount. So when I'm ready, I click on charge. And then you also have an option to ask them to offer a tip. If you want to leave a tip, you can add that. If you don't want a tip, you can select no tip. If you want to add a different amount as a custom amount, you can click on this custom and then enter your tip amount. So here in this case, I'm going with no tip, and then it will run. Then you would see a screen similar to this, which says hold here to pay, and you make that payment. And once that payment goes through, the money comes in your account and everything is good. So that's how it works. This is one way to use POS module to accept payment. But now you have even better option. You can access products in your account, and you can charge people for the products straight away from your mobile app using the POS module. All you have to do is click on the second option called catalog. So once you click on catalog, all the products that you have on your account will be shown here, and then you can select one of the products. For example, I'm going to select a t-shirt now. I'm selecting this t-shirt, and I select a variant that I have, maybe large black. If I have that, the price would pop up here. I'm ready to add this to the order. All I have to do is click add, and then I have two items to review. One is the $25 I created earlier, and this is the new t-shirt. So when I click on review, you can see I have the custom item for $25 and the t-shirt large black for $120. And then I'm also offering a discount, which is we added earlier, and that is taken the percentage value here. So if you don't want that, you have to go back and change that. And now once you are ready, you can add a customer if you want. If not, click on charge the total amount, and the same thing, tip or no tip, no tip, and then it would run the POS module and you're ready to accept payment. But it gets even better. Now you can actually go to your products by accessing here this hamburger icon. If you click on that, you can access all your products here. And you can edit or add new products. And I go to my web app to access my account. You can see these are the products I created in the web app. And these are the products you can also see on the mobile app. So whichever product you create on the web app will also be shown in the mobile app. If you create a new product in your mobile app, it will also get added to your web app. So now we are going to add a new product. But before that, we are going to see how we can edit a product which is already created in the web app. So here again, I'm going with a cool t-shirt example. So I click on t-shirt and you can see all the details here. So I have somehow added it as an item type as a service. I'm going to change that to a physical product. So I select physical here. That got updated. And now I can also add a tax value here. But since I don't have any tax added in my account, I cannot select that. If you want to add tax, you have to use web app in this case. So if you go to your account and go to payments and products, and then you can see under settings, click on settings, you have an option called taxes. And when you click on tax, this is where you can add a tax. So here, let's call it GST. And let's call 10% tax, right? And if you want to add a description, tax ID number and all that, you can add so and click add. So that's how you add to your products. Now, if you go back here and refresh this and go back to tax, you can see the tax value already added. So this is how easy it is to sync between mobile app and the web app or your account. Now I can select this 10% GST on this product and click done. So I have added tax. Now I want to update this to a physical product. And once I'm done, I can also change description, item name, and everything, but I'm just keeping it as it is. And when I click next, this goes to my variant pages. I can add a new variant by clicking here, or I can edit the variant. So for example, I have a new t-shirt, a new color of t-shirt available. So I want to add that. So I click on this color variant. I go here and I can see my current variants are black, yellow, and red. And here, if I click on add more, I can add, for example, like for blue. I add that, and then all I have to do is go here and click save. And when I go here, you can see I have now 12 variants instead of 4. So the blue color is added on all sizes. So now you can see I have a large blue and medium blue and a small blue. So here you can see I have 3 size options, large, medium, and small. So when I added the new color variant, it gets created for each of the size variant. So that's how this works in the backend. But in case you don't have small blue, what you can do is you can go here and delete that, and that will be gone from your inventory. And if you want to change a specific price, for example, red large, you want to sell at $120. And you want to show this has to be $150, you can do so. And once you're done, click next again. Then you can see all the details that you have, all the colors and sizes and the price and the compared price and everything. Once you're happy with all this, you click update item. And that's how easy it is to edit a product. Now let's get into creating a product. So if you want to create a new product, click on this plus button here, and then it will ask you to upload an image. So here I have a few images. I'm going to add that image. So this is going to be a headphone. So I'm going to select one of the image, and this gets added here, and then I can add the item name, which I'm calling black headphone, and can add a description. And this is a physical product, so I can keep it as it is. If you want to add a tax to this product, you can do so. Since we have already added a tax, we can access it from here. Once that's done, go to next. And this is where you can set the pricing. So here you can create different pricing. So for example, this is the usual pricing. Okay, let's call it usual price or standard price, whatever you want to call it. And the usual price for this product is, let's say, $200. And compare price, if you're offering a discount, you can compare it at $250. That is one pricing detail. And if you want to add more pricing details, click here to add more. Once you click add more, you get another pricing details here. So this could be our weekend price, for example. So we are selling this on a discounted price on weekend, so we can create a different pricing for weekend pricing. So this is a one-time price, but we are selling at $150, and the compare price is the usual one, $250. So during weekend, we could use this pricing instead of the usual price. And that's how the pricing details work. Now, if we come down here, you have variants. If you want to add more variants, for example, you could offer different colors. So I can add a color variant here, and black is one, and I have white. And that's it for now. So I click save. So I have now two variants. If I click open this, you can see black and white at the same price. If you are selling black at a higher price, you can change that here. $210 for black and $200 for white. And once you are done, you can click next. And your product is almost ready to go live. All you have to do is click create item. Once you create item, you can see a new product is added. Now, if you go back to your POS module by selecting this $sign at the bottom, you can go into your catalog, and from the catalog, you can see now black headphone is added, and you can charge someone for the black headphone. You select black headphone, select a variant. In this case, I'm going to select black, and the price has come here. And now I have to add it, and then I have to go and review this item. And do you want to add a discount? If you want to add a discount, we can do so by clicking add discount. If not, click on charge. If you want to add a tip, you can add from here, or else click no tip, and then you're ready to accept payment. So that's how easy it is to create a product, edit a product, and charge your customer all from within your mobile device. Now your mobile device can act as a point of sale module. All you have to do is carry your mobile phone and go to any market you want to sell your stuff and go ahead and sell it. I hope you sell more things in the coming days. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.